Hello everyone, today we're working on a 2015 Sonic. This is going to apply from 2011 to 2018 as far as I can tell. This is the 1.8 liter. Now we want to go ahead and remove all the stuff to the left side of the engine bay. This air box. So we're going to disconnect that mass airflow sensor. We're going to loosen up this hose clamp. You can use a flathead or an 8mm socket. So let's get this guy out of the way, remove the air filter. Now this lower portion of the air box is simply going to pull up since we're not going to need it there. And it just uses rubber grommets. Next we move to the engine mount and engine mount bracket. If you do have the proper impact socket, I suggest using that. We don't have that today, so we're using a regular chrome socket. And this should be a 17mm. Also, be sure to support the engine at the bottom, or else it will start to sag and you will not be able to do this without a little bit of rustling, or should I say wrestling, with the post mount and the bracket. Alright, that's out of the way. There are three 15mm bolts holding this bracket. One on the left side, one at the bottom, and another one on the right side. Once we get this off, you'll be able to see as I will show you. Now let's get that nice and out of there. See? 1, 2, 3 bolts. Now you're not going to be able to take them out, so just take it out with a bracket. Here we're going to need inverted torque sockets. This one is an E14 and the one for the water pump pulley is an E12. You should be able to find these sockets at your local auto parts store. They're not too difficult to find anymore. They used to be a lot more difficult to find back, a few years back. But now that they're becoming a bit more common, you can get them. Or should I say they're readily accessible. Alright, turn clockwise on the tensioner so we can get the belt loose. Boom, that's out of the way. You don't need to remove the tensioner, all we have to do is loosen up the belt to get that off. Now get these 3 bolts off, remove the pulley. Here is where our water pump sits. Pulley off, and there's our water pump. The bolts holding the water pump are E10s, I believe. Might have to correct me on that one. I don't recall at this particular moment. Aside from that, there is the thermostat in the front and that hose that you see to the left side. So that'll have to get disconnected. I decided to do that towards the end only because the thermostat had a hose on the opposite side that I didn't really want to deal with. And this hose goes to the heater core. So if you have these pliers, they are really helpful.